Did you understand that last announcement? Absolutely. I'm afraid we'll be deviating a bit from standard analysis procedures today. This should shake up those grand unification boys, Most of the simulation results are perfectly acceptable, you know. You aren't going soft on that ethics issue again, are you?
I will call backup!
No. This is madness. You have no idea what is going on, do you? It's highly probable that our luck will change, don't you agree? Wouldn't it be fantastic to get some pure readings for a change? You know, you repeat yourself sometimes.
You have any idea what's going on?
I'm sure of it.
Stop attacking! He's a friend! Ah! Watch it with that thing. This area just doesn't feel right. Hey, step off, buddy.
Medic! Move in!
Crazy. Leave him alone.
I didn't sign on for this shit.
Hello, sir. Jeez, and I thought I had a long night. You look like hell.
Do you still say there's nothing to chaos theory? You are completely wrong. I predicted all of this.
He'll pay. He will definitely pay. They say he was at ground zero. Oh yeah, he'll pay.
Alert! Get up! No!
Ah, hello, Gordon Freeman. Ah, it's good to see you.
And if they find the body?
Is that all you got?
Body? What body?
Don't make me do this. Bet you're glad I got this old sidearm on me, aren't you?
Shut up.
So, who is this guy?
Yeah! Let's kick their ass! To clear the area. Maintain movement 60 meters away. I am going to eliminate this. Our orders are to patrol.
You must go away.
No! Back up!
The automatic diagnostic and announcement system welcomes you to the Black Mesa Research Facility. The facility has proper supply material used for research, and anyone can access it, and you can...
Affirmative. Are you hostile?
Not at all.
This is Foggy!
Acknowledge your surrender, Sergeant.
All people are under control.
I get that. The administration will operate this now. All personnel are required to center.
We might live longer if we work together. You bet.
Get your ass up! Move!
Ah!
Clear the casualties!
Help me. Hello, sir. Yeah, we might stand a better chance if we team up.
We'll make an excellent team. I certainly hope you know what you're doing. Hold still. This won't hurt a bit. Take me with you. I'm the one man who knows everything. No!
Maintain movement! Hold! Got that. Shit.
better be careful. What are you trying to do? Aim for the head. Man, did you see that shot? Friends like you. Man, I hear something. Watch it with that thing.
Help me. Somebody, please help me.
Bastard!
Hey, step off, buddy.
Right!
I don't know what good we could do here. It can't get any worse than this, can it?
Bravo, mister. Get neutralized! Hostile!
End of the line for you.
Damn creeps! Get going!
Die, you bloodsucker! I'll bet that stings a bit. Don't ask me. Yup. I'll be happy to survive this one. You got it.
Alert! Get my ass up!
You're gonna wish you hadn't done that. Our luck has to change
run
sooner
like
or
hell.
later. Yep, all that target range time is gonna pay off today. I don't know if we should go any further. This doesn't look right. Okay? Well, sir, I hate to say it, but you're in bad shape. I don't buy it. You ever seen anything like this? What the hell is this? Don't ask me. I don't know what good we could do here. You think this is the right way out?
Authorized entry is required.
You talk too much.
No, the 18 personnel are willing to have access to it.
I reckon. I can't really tell.